All right, this is the time of the show. We're going to ask one of you people to come up here and help us out. Hiding under the tables will not help you. Let me see. How about you, ma'am, right there? You, the one that was trying to hide. By the way, if you ever come back to an improv show, don't hide. Act like you want to be on stage. Because we'll choose those. Come on up, ma'am. Big round. What's your name?
TJ.
TJ. Big round of applause, TJ. Come over here, TJ. All right, TJ. You won't have to say a word during this scene.
Good.
However, you will have to provide all of the sound effects for this scene. All right, here. Now, TJ, are you good at sound effects? Good, we're going to find out. All right. So basically what's going to happen is normally during our scenes we can provide our own sound effects. So if we wanted to blow up the bomb and I made a big explosion noise, we can do that. But for this particular scene, our actors are going to be unable to make sound effects. So you are going to have to watch what they're doing, and whenever they do something that might need a sound effect, provide the sound for them. They're probably going to give you some prep work so you'll know exactly what it is that they're doing and you can provide the sounds. Know that there are absolutely no wrong noises you can make. The only thing you can do wrong is make no noise at all. So let's get our two actors up here. Big round of applause for Peter and Peter. All right, so TJ, I'm going to give you some practice here so you can synchronize your fantastic sound effect voice making along with their actions. So we're going to start out with something very simple. Peter is going to take a bowling ball bag. He's going to unzip the bag. Take out the bowling ball and just throw it through a window. Okay, you got to provide the sound effects. Watch along with him and provide the sounds for the actions he does. TJ was faking being nervous. All right, so one last one. It's a little bit more complicated, but it's just as easy. Pierce is going to start up a lawnmower. He's going to mow this short swath of grass, and then he's going to run over a sprinkler, and then water is going to come shooting up into the atmosphere. All right, so just pay attention to Pierce and provide the sounds. You guys, what would be a fun project that you wish you and your dad got to do together?
Building a rocket.
Building a rocket! Yeah! All right. They never see your dad again. All right, so this scene has something to do with rocket building. This is sound effects with TJ, Pierce, and Peter in 3, 2, and 1. Dad, you want some help? You get old in your old age. Yeah. Man.
I tell you, Sawyer is rough place for rocket meet.
No, Dad, no. Well, I immigrated to the U.S. a long time ago, lost my accent.
Yes.
But I tell you what, Dad, it's time. It's time we built that dang rocket that you've been promising me for 40 years.
Yes, I promised, and finally it is here.
Like a whole rocket?
Yes. I just put this little component into place. Flip the switch. It's running, it's turning. Hear it? Yes, our dream son. It's amazing. There it goes. Oh gosh. It explodes, watch out, son. Get down! Leave yourself alone! Their dog is okay.
Hey. Good. I like it.
Dad, that was a little anticlimactic. I was really like hoping we'd go up in the rocket.
I'm sorry, son. Cool.
Well, you always had excuses growing up, Dad. You were never around. You were always working on stuff. You didn't send us to the gulag.
Son, I think you first grade. I know you only 13. We're in new country.
All right, Dad.
Nothing's here, dang it!
Fucking empty. I'll share it with you, Dad.
Thanks.
Cheers.
MC!
Don't need the R&R. To regular life, I say I vibe. Hey, living life in the fast lane. May your pain only be champagne. So please come join me. One thing, good vibes only. I just tapped the K.